अच्छा, आपकी बात भी नहीं सुन रहा है मेरी बात। So warm welcome to all of you. It is absolutely my pleasure to be here. And I was very nervous. अनिल जी की स्पीच सुन के मैं बहुत नर्वस हो गया, क्योंकि काफी सारों को पता नहीं है मेरा ससुराल भुवनेश्वर में है। मेरा ससुराल भुवनेश्वर में है और मैं पिछले हफ्ते भी भुवनेश्वर में था। और अगर मेरी बीवी के साथ मैं आता तो मुझे बोलती तुम पता नहीं क्या करते हो, दिन में 14 घंटे काम तो बिल्कुल नहीं करते हो। So I have heard you, Anil ji, and we will rededicate ourselves. So it's my pleasure to be here. It is always a pleasure to be at MFRT. I am very proud of what Kanak ji and Bagadia ji and the entire team at MFRT does. And I genuinely think that it's the best way to learn from people is to get them together, re-energize them, motivate them, and then set them free for 1 year, and again pull them back, again re-energize them, and again re-motivate them. So I think it's a fantastic initiative that they take. And when he said, who all are going to be in Hyderabad, I did not think about anything. I raised my hand as well. So thank you very much. Basically, what I am going to talk about is is obviously on this part on practice management, right? And before I start off, I'd just like to read out a quote, which says, basically what is happening is today is a tough landscape. It's a tough environment, like Anil ji also shared. And it's very easy to get completely lost. And it's very easy to start thinking कि सामने बहुत अंधेरा है, आगे फ्यूचर में पता नहीं क्या होगा, हम लोग बिजनेस कैसे करेंगे. These kind of uncertainties are there. And at the same time in the past, there are some really rosy memories, because we all have, the fact that I am here itself actually shows that we all have had a great ride in the last 10 to 12 years, and only in the last 2-3 years we hit a rough patch, and then there is some uncertainty about how things are going to shape up in the future. And this quote is something which you should always remember, because what it says is, never let your memories be greater than your dreams. It's by Doug Ivester, who is the ex-CEO of Coca-Cola. And if you think through this, what it actually means is कि हमारे सपने इतने बड़े होने चाहिए कि पास्ट में हमारे साथ क्या हुआ उससे हम थोड़ी लर्निंग्स ले सकते हो, बात सही है, लेकिन पास्ट में कितना अच्छा समय था, क्या क्या हुआ, उसी चीज को हम अगर सोचेंगे तो आगे की तैयारी टुवर्ड्स आवर ड्रीम्स विल नॉट बी एबल टू मूव एट ऑल. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप इन माइंड, never let your memories be greater than your dreams, because your dreams are far more important than what your past memories are. So what is the landscape and what are the changes and why are we talking about practice management? And let me tell you, I am here to share some ideas. I am not an expert on this, and there are very many people here. It's very normal human nature to think that why is this guy telling me, right? Like for example, I also think a lot of times, why is this guy my boss? And I'm sure all the people who are in my team, they also think, why is this guy my boss? Correct? So nobody is anybody's boss, really speaking. I don't think you can go around teaching things to people. But beyond a point, what you can do, what you can do is to exchange ideas. So please look at them as ideas. Now just to set the context, what is the change in the landscape that has happened? Previously, the manufacturer paid the commission. Now what is it? What is the expectation? The expectation is that the fee should be paid by the party availing the service and not by the person who is manufacturing the product. Service किसको मिल रही है? Investor को मिल रही है. And hopefully आप product के बजाय service दे रहे हो, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको ये करना चाहिए कि manufacturer भले ही कुछ incentive आपको देता है, but what you should do is you are delivering a good service, you are delivering advice to the investor, so you should be in a position like any other professional to charge a fee for the service that you are delivering. The second important point, instead of selling products, like Naveen has already told you, instead of selling products, you need to give advice. And the product needs to be wrapped inside the advice. Advice can be based on changes in financial landscape, and advice can also be based on the financial plan that you are making for your investor. So whatever prompts your advice, see every time you give advice, it is not a comprehensive financial plan that you are making. Lot of times you are giving advice saying नहीं अब market ठीक नहीं रहेगा, आप equity में मत लगाइए. That's also advice. So that is an advice which is related to the environment. And the other type of advice is the advice which you give when you are constructing an individual's financial plan. So whatever it may be, you should be giving advice and you should be seen to be giving advice. And you should be in a position to be able to charge a fee for the advice which you are giving. So I am not going to dwell on what Naveen ji has already explained to you. The fact is that yes, you need to give advice. You cannot be going around presenting products to people. And how do we go about doing this? क्योंकि जैसा सभी लोगों ने यहाँ पे बात की है, पिछले कई सालों से हम एक तरीके से काम करते आ रहे हैं, तो आगे जाकर के हम अपने आप को रिफॉर्म कैसे करेंगे? When you are not sure, when in doubt, go back to the basics, because simplicity can rarely cause mass confusion. Right now, according to me, there is mass confusion. People don't know what is going to happen. And exactly when you don't know how you are going to run your affairs, it's better that you go back to basics. And by basics, now you will feel like laughing. But when I was told that I have to speak about advice and I have to speak about practice management, I know English very, very well. But आपको शायद surprise होगा. The first thing I did, I went to the website of the Oxford Dictionary. And in the Oxford Dictionary, please pardon me if people at the back cannot read this, I will definitely read it for you. And I want just focus on whatever I have underlined with the red marking. So I have split it into three parts. There is practice, there is management, and there is advice. And instead of thinking too much about our industry, mutual fund को 2 मिनट के लिए आप भूल जाइए, forget you are in the mutual fund industry. Just focus on these words. What do these words tell you about practice? What it says? Actual application or use of an idea or a belief. And my humble request is, please focus on the word method. Please focus on the word method. That's the first point. The second one is even more important. A customary, habitual or expected procedure. आप जो भी काम करते हैं, आप अपने इन्वेस्टर के साथ जो भी व्यवहार करते हैं, क्या इसमें आपका कोई मेथड है? क्या इसमें आपका कोई कस्टमरी और हैबिचुअल प्रोसीजर है? मैं आपको ये थोड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड्स है, कस्टमरी और हैबिचुअल प्रोसीजर का मैं आपको एग्जांपल देखता हूं. आप सब क्रिकेट देखते हो? सब लोग क्रिकेट देखते हैं. हर एक गेंद का सामना करने से पहले, यू नो कृष्णमाचार्य श्रीकांत, राइट? वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बैट्समैन. What did he do before facing every delivery? Can anybody tell me? He used to walk. He used to walk up to the leg umpire and come back. And when he went to the leg umpire and came back, he used to make funny faces. Right? Do you remember this? Do you think he was a funny man? Do you think he was some moron or something? Why is it that before facing every delivery, he has to walk to the leg umpire and come back? What is he trying to do? What does Sachin Tendulkar do? पूरी एक्टिंग आप कर नहीं पाओगे, थोड़ी आपको शर्म आएगी. There are certain things people do, right? What does Mahendra Singh Dhoni do? He hits the bat with his gloves. Why do these people do these things? You think they are foolish? Do you think there is something wrong? What do you do before you start engaging with a client? What is the customary procedures you follow? How do you prepare your mind for it? What do you do? आपका कोई सेट प्रोसेस है क्लाइंट से डील करने का? मीटिंग में जाने से पहले मैं ये 4 चीजें करता हूँ, मीटिंग के दरमियान में ये 6 चीजें करता हूँ, मीटिंग के बाद में ये 4 चीजें करता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ है? See, before a good performance, you need to prepare your mind to function in a set manner. That is why the word practice says that there has to be a habitual or an expected procedure. It's not only important for you, it is also important for the client who is engaging with you. Now look at the last part. What does the last part say? It says repeated exercise in the performance of an activity. So देखिए बात ये है कि हम लोग प्रैक्टिस मैनेजमेंट बहुत बोलते हैं, बट प्रैक्टिस का सीधा साधा मतलब ये होता है कि सेम चीज को बार बार करना चाहिए। अगर आप एक देखिए, प्रैक्टिस मैनेजमेंट की बात करके फायदा नहीं है इफ यू डोंट हैव अ प्रोसेस एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव अ सेट प्रोसीजर। एंड बिफोर फेसिंग अ डिलीवरी, इफ सचिन तेंदुलकर स्टैंड्स आउटसाइड एंड डज सम फनी मूवमेंट्स, दैट इज बिकॉज ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग हिज माइंड। इफ ही डज नॉट डू दोज थिंग्स, हिज माइंड विल नॉट बी सेटल्ड टू फंक्शन इन दैट मैनर। कई बार हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं ना, हम लोग मीटिंग में जाते हैं, ऐसे ही चलते 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 अंदर चले जाते हैं, बैठ जाते हैं और बात करते हैं क्या चल रहा है। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, क्या चल रहा है इज द वर्स्ट वे टू स्टार्ट अ मीटिंग, राइट? यू शुड नो क्या चल रहा है। यू नेवर स्टार्ट अ मीटिंग बाय सेइंग क्या चल रहा है। सो एनीवे, दैट इज अबाउट प्रैक्टिस। द सेकंड पार्ट इज ऑन मैनेजमेंट, राइट? एंड व्हाट डज इट से? द प्रोसेस ऑफ डीलिंग विद और कंट्रोलिंग थिंग्स। व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड हियर? Process. So I'll not dwell too much on these simplistic things. I don't know if you're finding it simple or complicated, but most important point is that you need a process and you need to do the same thing again and again. I don't know if you read this book written by Malcolm Gladwell. My favorite, I mean he's written many books, but my favorite book written by Malcolm Gladwell is a book called Outliers. Do you know what is the most important thing he has written in the book? That for you to be an expert, जैसे हम अपने आप को फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट बताते हैं ना, do you know what he says? He says that for you to be an expert, you need to have done that particular thing for 10,000 hours. आपको पता है 2 साल पहले in New York there was a 59-year-old airline pilot. Both the engines crashed, and this 59-year-old airline pilot, he ensured that the plane lands in the Hudson River and not a single person was injured. An entire plane without the engines, it landed in the river and nobody... Do you think he had an experience of landing that plane there? Practice किया था क्या? Practice नहीं किया था. लेकिन he had flown that plane for 10,000 hours and his subconscious mind was exactly prepared कि ऐसा होगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा. आपके पास ऐसा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड प्रिपेयर्ड है कि अगर क्लाइंट ऐसा बोलेगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा? दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड ए प्रोसेस. दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड द सेम सीक्वेंस ऑफ डूइंग अगेन एंड अगेन. दैट इज व्हाई कृष्णमाचार्य श्रीकांत एवरी टाइम गोज टू द लेग अंपायर एंड कम्स बैक. दैट इज व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑन एडवाइस. What is the definition it talks about? It says guidance or recommendations offered with regard to a prudent action. The word advice automatically means that, see, advice has to be specific. Advice will always be in some context. Advice is always related to a particular situation. So there has to be customization and advice has to be in a particular context. You cannot generally give the same advice to everybody. So I hope that when we talk about practice management and advice, these 2 or 3 basic things you've been able to grasp. And according to me, mutual fund industry में practice management तो बात की बात है. I think practice is something which we really need to focus on, because practice is most important. And never forget this thing which I mentioned to you, that to be an expert in something, you need to do it for 10,000 hours. After reading the book, I was also counting whether I've spent 10,000 hours or not. I don't think I did spend. So what are the 3 or 4 areas that independent advisors and of course, like Anilji mentioned, asset management companies need to dwell on when it comes to practice management? This is from a report from Boston Consulting. Basically, it talks of 3 things. One is that to build business, you need to improve your selling capabilities and you need to have a better sales pitch. Before you go to a client, do you have a canned, जिसको canned का मतलब ये है, आप जब client के पास जाते हैं तो आपको by heart होता है speech के आप क्या बोलेंगे? Do you know exactly what you will speak? If your client says that आए दिन कस्टमर हमको बोलता है कि इक्विटी में पैसा मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा क्योंकि इक्विटी का पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस खराब है, राइट? और हम सब जानते हैं कि इक्विटी का पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस खराब होने के बाद ही एक्चुअली पैसा लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा दिख रहा है उसके बाद पैसा लगाओगे तो उस लेवल से तो पैसा बनना ही नहीं है ना. सो वी ऑल नो दिस, राइट? If this question is asked to you at 3 o'clock in the morning, you're woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning, do you have a ready-made answer to give? when the customer asks. This is something which is worth thinking about. So you need, selling capabilities is a big word, but you need a basic pitch. And that pitch, again, for everything, the common word is practice. Second important thing is to provide improved advisory services, which means that you need advice on asset allocation and products, etc. And the last important thing is to give improved service. By service, what I mean is reporting on what is the value, where have you reached in this journey, what kind of developments have happened, those things, right? More like after sales service. So what asset management companies are doing right now, whether it is Birla Mutual Fund, whether it is ICICI, whether it is Reliance, whether it is L&T, whether it is Kotak, whether it is SBI, what are companies actually focusing on? Generally speaking, if you see, like Naveen ji has obviously launched the regular saving plan. What is it? It's basically a tool. It's a tool for you to go. We are presenting these videos to you. What is that for? You're supposed to carry those tools and those videos in your laptop so you can show it to your client. We are trying to automate a lot of communication on your behalf. So what are AMCs trying to do? They are trying to do trainings, of course. They are trying to give you as many tools as possible. And we all are working hard to change our product constitution. By product constitution, what I mean is, if you see virtually every asset management company today is working very hard to have a strong positioning and a strong definition of what products can do. Gone are those days when products used to be like superstars. Oh, ye to sab kar lega.